The Parrot and the Peacock Story. Once upon a time, in a peaceful jungle, lived a bright green parrot named Mittu and a colorful peacock named Raja. Mittu loved to talk and sing sweet songs all day. Animals would gather to hear his cheerful voice. One day, Raja said sadly, "Everyone praises your voice, but no one notices my beautiful feathers." Mittu smiled and said, "But you are the most beautiful bird in the jungle. Everyone admires your dance and colors." Raja replied, "But I wish I could sing like you." Then Mittu said, "We are both special. You have beauty and I have a sweet voice. We should be proud of what we have." The two friends smiled and danced together, happy to be just the way they were. Moral of the story: everyone is special in their own way. Be proud of who you are. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.